So when you think about ROI, right, business leader, I know you're thinking about return on investment. How do you think about the return on the investment of your time back to what you get in, what get out, what you put in terms of going to ManufactureCT and going to those events?
Well, I mean, you get one new customer and it's completely paid for itself. I mean, that's one portion of things.
Sure.
The other portion of things, the learning experience that you get and the resources that you get from finding people who are so invested in your industry and have so much experience. I mean, whether it's, manufacturing accountants or manufacturing attorneys or, estate planning people or just people that have, different processes that they can share with you. Just, one good experience that sort of helps your bottom line with how small the investment is to get involved in these organizations, it's kind of a no-brainer.
Yeah, absolutely. Listen, one of the goals of this podcast and this thesis is that if we can all learn and share and grow with each other, we'll all be better off. In Connecticut, we're not manufacturers competing against each other. We're a manufacturing team competing against the world.
Absolutely.
And we need to think together and work together. And these organizations, in my view, are a tremendous opportunity for us to learn and grow.